Hi children, welcome to yet another section. Today we will learn about intersecting lines and parallel lines. So first we will learn about intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means what? When two or more lines cross each other in a plane, they are called intersecting lines. Or you can say when two lines is having a common point, we can say that the two lines are intersecting lines. And intersecting lines share a common point, that is known as point of intersection. Okay, so intersecting lines means what? When two or more lines is having a common point, such type of lines are called intersecting lines. And look at this example children. Or you can say two lines cross each other or meet at one point. Such type of lines are called intersecting lines. Look at this line children. This is one line and this is one line, is it? This is one line. And these two lines are meeting at this point. These two lines are meeting at this point. So they have a common point. These type of lines are called intersecting lines. And this common point is known as point of intersection. What is the name? Point of intersection. That common point or their meeting point is known as point of intersection. Point of intersection. Now look at these two lines. Which is the point of intersection here? That means the meeting point, or you can say the intersecting point. This is the point of intersection. Now here, this is the point of intersection. Okay. When two lines is having a common point, that common point is known as point of intersection. So this is the point of intersection here. Now look at this figure. Here you can see that many lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are intersecting at one point. This point is the common point of these all lines. So that point is known as point of intersection. So that common point is known as point of intersection. So what do you mean by intersecting lines? When two or more lines meet each other or cross each other in a plane, we can say they are called intersecting lines. Or you can say when two lines having a common point, they are called intersecting lines. And that common point, that meeting point is known as point of intersection. That meeting point or that common point is known as point of intersection. Now look at this example. So this is the point of intersection. This line Q and line P. Line P and line Q are meeting at the point O. So that point is known as point of intersection. I hope it's clear. Now move to the next topic. Parallel lines. Parallel lines, or you can say non-intersecting lines. What is other name? Non-intersecting lines. Parallel lines means what? If two or more lines in a plane do not intersect each other, however far they are extended, they are called parallel lines. Okay. So parallel lines, or you can say non-intersecting lines. Parallel lines means what? They do not meet at any point. And the important thing is, listen, these type of lines are called parallel lines. If you are extending this line also, it will not meet at any point. And the important thing is, the gap between these two lines, remains same. Okay, the distance between these two lines remains same if you are extending lines also. So parallel lines means what? They do not meet at any point. However, you are extending. If you are extending also, it will not meet at any point, and the gap between these two lines remains same. The distance between these two lines remains same. So this is an example for parallel lines. And in your ruled notebook, the lines are examples for parallel lines. So parallel lines means what? It do not meet at any point. If you are extending also, it will not meet at any point. And the gap between these two lines remains same always. Okay. So parallel lines, or you can say non-intersecting lines. And intersecting lines is clear. Intersecting lines means what? Two lines or two or more lines having a common point. That common point is known as point of intersection. Parallel lines or non-intersecting lines means what? They do not meet at any point, however you are extending. Okay. So and the gap between the two lines remains same always. So such type of lines are called parallel lines. I hope all these topics are clear. That's all for today. Thank you.